Ever wondered what the future of our airspace might look like? How would the skies appear when the traditional human-operated aircraft share the celestial highway with their uncrewed counterparts? In the early days of aviation, the skies were dominated by human-operated aircraft. The romance of piloting an aircraft, the exhilaration of soaring above the clouds, and the sheer joy of exploring the world from above were unparalleled. But as technology advanced, the evolution of the airspace began to take shape. In comes the age of uncrewed aircraft. These autonomous systems, guided by the wonders of technology, began to make their mark. Advanced air mobility, organic resupply buses, drones, and even the concept of flying taxis began to emerge. They were no longer just a figment of science fiction, but a tangible reality. The Federal Aviation Administration, the governing body for all things aviation, faced a new challenge: how to securely incorporate these uncrewed systems into the national air territory, alongside human aircraft. It's a question that not only tests the technology involved, but also requires a reimagining of the airspace as we know it. The FAA, in its quest for solutions, must establish all aviation rules, procedures, regulations, and recommendations. Their responsibility is immense, holding the safety of everyone, both on the ground and in the air, in their hands. As we delve deeper, we find that advanced air mobility operations often begin as piloted flights. But as technology evolves and regulations change, we can expect more automated and unpiloted aircraft flying at lower altitudes. This transition, much like the shift from cargo to passenger flights, is a testament to human adaptability and our increasing trust in technology. But what about the public opinion? Would people be comfortable flying in an autonomous or pilotless aircraft? This is where the importance of safety comes in. Autonomous flight systems in AAM vehicles can enhance safety by reducing the risk of human error. But the success of AAM depends on more than just regulations and infrastructure. It hinges on the willingness of the people to embrace this change. In conclusion, the future of airspace is a complex interplay of safety, regulations, and public opinion. It's a dance between human-operated and uncrewed aircraft. It's a challenge that requires us to reimagine the skies. But one thing is for sure, the evolution of the airspace is well underway, and we are all a part of it.